The constant drip of water can wear a hole in a stone. This is a familiar expression to average Chinese. While it tells people the softness of water and the hardness of stone, it highlights the power of persistence. Of course, few people truly witness this process. It is, however, apt description to a geographic phenomenon called karst topography. This story is still about water and stone, but in this case, the stone is no longer hard rocks, but comparatively soft carbonate rocks, and limestone is the most common type among them. What the water does to the stone is not limited to physical rubbing and grinding, but also a dissolving effect by working together with carbon dioxide in the air. This story needs another two supporting roles: crustal movement and atmospheric movement. The rest is taken care of by time. After millions of years, time creates such topographic wonder as we see now. Ample waterfall and resulting groundwater infiltrates the limestone through cracks and crevices. While gradually widening and deepening the cracks, the water also takes away dissolved limestone as well as other surface substances, and the non-dissolved parts gradually form karst. In this process, the cave system and underground drainage system also take shape over time. The vertical shafts connected with the drainage systems channel out surface water. If the cave is big enough and if its ceilings is close to the surface, then collapse is prone to occur, forming the most distinctive feature in karst topography, the sinkhole. Often sinkholes would join to form even bigger sinks, which are commonly known as tiankang. Karst topography is widely distributed across China. Limestone areas exposed to surface cover 1/7 of this country, and underground ones are as large as over 700,000 square kilometers. Karst can be found in every province or autonomous region, but most are concentrated in the southeast part of China, and the variety of which is rare on a global scale. Yunnan stone forest is the only karst stone forest located in subtropical plateau, covering 400 square kilometers. In the late Paleozoic area, it was a shallow sea deposited with thousands of meters of limestone and dolomite. Gradually, this area rose with the crustal movement and surfaced to ground. During the interglacial period, thanks to ample rainfall in long-term tropical climate conditions, karst topography grows rapidly due to constant erosion of limestone and dolomite. Under different geographic, climate, and water conditions, stone forests at different periods continue to grow and overlap, eventually giving shape to what we see today: a rich diversity and distinctive strata. Here you can find almost all shapes of perfectly developed karst features, resembling sword, mushroom, or pagoda. With the presence of almost all typical karst topography in one place, this stone forest is lauded as a karst museum. Sani people in the E ethnic group have been living here for over 2,000 years, and their lifestyle is closely associated with Karlstone forest. While wandering through the stones, these imaginative people named all shapes of stones with characters from the love epic Ashma of their own ethnic group and another love story butterfly lovers from the Han people. Stone forests, combined with such strong ethnic flavor, make this karst scenery quite unique. Wulong County in Chongqing is located at the southeast edge of Sichuan Basin, the valley area of the lower reaches of Wujiang River, a tributary of the Yangtze River. Karst in this county is a major representative of entrenched valleys in China, as it is a perfect reflection of the geological evolutionary history of the Earth. Due to interlaid distribution of carbonated rock and sandy shale, three independent karst systems are present here: the Furong Karst system, three natural bridges system, and the Hoping erosion Tiankang system. These three systems were developed in the three gorges of the Yangtze River region in Neogenic area, when active rising crustal movement took place. Such rich karstic features are of global significance. Furong Cave, known as No One Cave on Earth, was born out of carbonated rocks during the Cambrian Ordovician period. Here you can find numerous horizontal caves as well huge vertical shafts with extremely rich secondary physical and chemical deposit called speleothem. Erosion takes on various shapes. Some are collapsed accumulations, some are erect stalagmites, some are deep ponds. Professor Zhu Xuewan, a famous cave expert in China, commented that Furong Cave can be seen as a cave museum in terms of scientific research and for popular scientific education. Wulong Natural Bridge is the largest pearl-strain natural bridge group in the world. Located along a 10-kilometer carbonated rock riverbed, this bridge is composed of gorgeous, swallowed streams, natural bridges, tiankangs, caves, and karst streams. Record of this site can be found in Yi Tongzhi, written 500 years ago during the Ming Dynasty. Within 1.5 kilometers in this one valley, there are three natural bridges: Tianlong, which means heaven dragon; Qinlong means green dragon, and Heilong means black dragon, as well as a huge Tiankang in the middle. Such a karst combination is unique worldwide. There are two holes from south to north in the Tianlong Bridge, resembling an artificial bridge. Waterfalls would appear after downpour on the Qinlong Bridge, like green dragon. The Heilong Bridge got its name from the twisting shape of its curves. The total altitude, height of bridge arch, and the thickness of bridge deck, the three most important indicators of these three natural bridges, all exceed the world record. The three karst views in Wulong are created by massive crustal rising and valley entrenchment beginning in the Neogenic era in the Three Gorges areas of the Yangtze River. In this form of cave systems, natural bridge groups, valleys, and karst tiancans, it keeps a vivid record of global geologic evolution. At the same time, it is still under the effect of internal and external forces and holds the secrets of how karst evolves and grows under different geological conditions, making it a key to understand the formation mechanism of the Three Gorges in the Yangtze River. Guizhou is the center of karst development in East Asia. It is also the most concentrated region of exposed karst topography in China. Libo, located in the southeast part of Guizhou, is home to the most completely developed cone-shaped karst topography in the world, with the richest conservation of relevant relics and biggest distribution area. Falling in the subtropical monsoon climate in Central Asia, this region enjoys lush trees and crisscrossing rivers and creeks. A magic amalgam made of mountains, water, trees, caves, waterfalls, and stones shaped by karst has earned this place the beautiful name a shining emerald on the belt of Mother Earth. Semi-aquatic forest is a famous scene in Libo. Precious trees piercing through hard rocks in water sink their roots on the riverbed, creating a rare aquatic forest view. Besides semi-aquatic forest, Libo also has Laya Waterfall, the 67-layer waterfall on the Yuanyang Lake, as well as a natural bridge, which is praised by experts as the Oriental Arch of Triumph shaped by nature. Libo is home to many ancient ethnic groups such as Shui, Yao, and Bui ethnic groups. Their houses, customs, and language are of great value for appreciation and for research. Karst peaks, beautiful lakes, and thriving forests are a perfect example of a harmony between man and nature. In June 2007, Yunnan Stone Forest, Guizhou Libo, and Chongqing Oolong jointly applied under the name of the South Karst in China was inscribed by the 31st World Heritage Conference as World Natural Heritage.